This is the jungle walk. I heard that we need to walk like for 2 hours and I'm already catching my breath. Like, I think I'm the second to the last person. The other one is taking photographs, so that's like slow. But anyway, this is the trekking. It's quite a challenge for me because I haven't exercised for ages. Just to give you the idea of how the trekking looks like, we also went past to like bamboo trees, and we have to, how do you call this, like have to adjust the way you walk to go past the pathway. Anyway, this is it. So this is a 2-hour jungle trek, and my god, it's really tiring. Okay, that's a lot better than climbing.